Heidi ho, Mr. Wonderful here. Hope everybody's doing well. Well, this is from Jordan. 100 fills. Nice haircut, man. Love it. Right, so first of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. Oh, I forgot to tell you. We're going to turn it into a coin. Ring. Okay. Bit early for me. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Just had my third cup of tea. Beautiful day today. I'm not at the market today. I'll be going for the next 8 days on the trot. So today I have to make a few videos for my darling. Otherwise she'll be saying, oh, I need some more videos. By the time I get home here at the night time, it's the last thing I want to do. Even though I do enjoy doing it, but... Right. Because I get up at 4:30 in the morning. We usually leave about 5 o'clock bus. And I get home about 6-ish. I might go for a couple of scoops after work as well, you know, sort of chill down a bit. Right, what we got? Need to slap on the bottom. Right. That came out with some force. Right. I just want to clean up the inside edge with a Christy burr. Right. There you go, nice and clean. So we're going to warm it up. With Bernie. I think that's more than hot enough, don't you? Of course, I still haven't filled up my cup. Oh. That's another sort of Finnish saying, oh. That's the way you say it. Oh. Well, oh well, okay. Right, let's get our damming block out again. Hey, I'm getting good at using this now, aren't I? I'm a good boy. So I think it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I like it a lot. So it goes face down. I think that should do the job. We'll go over to Big Red. Let's put the ball bearing on it. Bring it over to Big Red. And give it a bit of the old 1-2. 1-2. And now I'll pop it in this 17-degree folding die. That's levelish. We go back over again. And we'll get out our 17-degree folding cone. There you go. That was easy, wasn't it? But it got quite tough again, so, yep. You guessed it. Right, Yeah, if anybody out there is looking for a custom ring, I do make them. You can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. See what coins I've got. You can even send me your own coins. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There is a link in the description. And there's some other stuff in there besides rings. Check it out. Right, clean bit of kitchen roll. And then we'll visit our bestest friend on the table, which is Spike. He's a ring stretcher. And he stretches your ring. Right. Yeah, there's quite a few. There's quite a lot of planes crashing nowadays, you know. That's getting work hard again. That's quite a nice coin, so I don't want to split this one. Well, I don't want to split any of them, but you know, it does happen. Right, that'll do. I should only have to heat this up one more time after this. Let's dry it off. We don't spike getting rusty, do we? Right, back over to the one and only. It's quite a big coin. It's going to be quite a big ring. I can make it smaller though. I can make it bigger, but I don't think anyone's going to need it any bigger. This will probably be a size 12, maybe 13. I don't know. How's it looking? Still got a bit of a bow in it. That's another thing I didn't used to do when I first started doing this game. You've got to get that bow out of it. That's vital. But you live and learn. Maybe a couple more. I think the bow's just about out of it, but according to YouTube, I've now officially had my channel open for exactly 1 year. Exactly a year yesterday. So, doesn't time fly, eh? Jesus, sweat. Right, how's it looking? See, no bow. There's a little bit of a lip in there. Let's cut that out. That's good. See, that lip's gone. No lip. The lip has disappeared. Right. So we'll heat it up one more time. And then we'll take it downstairs to the reducing plate. Okie dokie. Cha cha cha. Right, what we got over here? Nope. Nope, nope. And put in the big boy. There's a bit there. Make sure it's nice and square. It's good to be square. Oh yeah. Look at that. First pull. Right. Look who's here this morning. Look at her. Hey, isn't she looking gorgeous today? Kate's just back from the salon. Bit more volume. Right, how's she looking? Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Right, let's take out. I mean, that's the Edwin look. I like the Edwin look, but I will polish it. And if somebody does want it, Edwin look, I can just... There we go. Just made another one. God knows where my other one went to. Right. Let's give it a bit of the old polish, shall we? Right. Now I've lost the polish because I was looking for my Elton John. This is crazy. Every day gets crazier here. Okay, here we go. Right. Elton John. Well, let's see what we got. How's it looking? Let's slightly clean the cloth. Yeah, not too shabby. So if you're from Jordan, or you know somebody that is from Jordan, and they make good gifts as well, you know. Alright, how's it looking? So that's where I used a kitchen roll. You got all the detail on the inside. Yeah, this came out rather sexy. What sort of size we got? 13-ish. Nearly 13 and a half. Fits this finger perfectly. Yeah, quite nice. And it fits this finger even better. Thanks for your support. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hitting the like button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you all have a great day. And yeah, try smiling. It's good to smile.